Musamseleku invite his wives to awards, so he came with Macele, Makhumalo, Mangwawe, and Mayeni. They came alone. So Musamseleku, when they call his name and he wants to get an award, he says to Mangwawe, let's go to get an award. Mangwawe says no. He feel humiliated, and you have got wives, they don't stood up to you. What they are doing to those awards, Makhumalo, Mangwawe, and Mayeni, because they say the person who came with Musamseleku was supposed to go to stood for Musamseleku in front of people. You know that sometimes, guys, those people, they have drama in front of other people. We know that they have got a program of Utando Nestembo, but some of the things they have to reduce, especially Mangwawe. You know that Mangwawe, guys, most of the time when Musamseleku says let's do this thing, Mangwawe doesn't want to. You understand? Because Musamseleku was expecting to go with Mangwawe. Why he can't say Makhumalo, you understand, or Mayeni, but he choose Mangwawe. Mangwawe says no, because they are supposed to go to have an award together. The four of them, they have to stood in front, two on side of Musamseleku. Musamseleku was being between of them, but they don't do those things. You know that Musamseleku get an award alone, and Macele was filled because the Macele stood up, clap hands for Musamseleku. Other wives, guys, they are sitting down. You know that Mutombeni feel humiliated. Those people, they like drama, guys. Even Musamseleku, he says let's go, and say you don't want, I have to go in front of people, guys. You know that those people, they want drama, and people are unsure. They saw it that there is something wrong on those wives. Even people, and those things happening last year, all those people who are on awards, they already know what's going on season 9, because they saw it that they have no good relationship between his wives Mangwawe, Makhumalo, and Mayeni. Mayeni says she doesn't not know about Mpumelelo and Amahle's relationship. Mpumelelo is paying lobolo to Amahle's family. Mayeni was shocked to saw pictures on social media. People are posting, even on television. Izingane zestembu. Mpumelelo and Musamseleku were right at that time, because Mayeni was the one who says don't involve me about your girlfriends. You know that Mayeni forgot words what she says. Yes, we know that even she can't say it in cameras, but Mayeni say many things to Mpumelelo about his girlfriend behind the cameras. That's why Musamseleku says Mayeni, the way she behaves behind the cameras and the way she behaves on cameras is very different. So sometimes we can support Mayeni that Mayeni is right, or what. Mayeni have to tell people the truth, that she have nothing to do with the Mpumelelo's girlfriend. Mayeni was the one who tells Mpumelelo that I don't want anything to do with your girlfriends or with your wives. So sometimes, guys, now she doesn't want to say it on television, like maybe she wants to meet Amahle. Mayeni doesn't want to meet Amahle. That's why Mpumelelo avoid it, doesn't go to Mayeni. Guys, Mpumelelo loves Mayeni more than Musamseleku. Even Mayeni, the way she says that she raised Mpumelelo without Musamseleku, but Mpumelelo doesn't respect me. Yes, Mayeni raised Mpumelelo without Musamseleku, but Musamseleku is Mpumelelo's father. When Mayeni does not support Mpumelelo, it's okay. Mpumelelo, he can go to his father and have some help. You understand? So sometimes Mayeni want to be like an innocent person. And an innocent person, but she is not innocent on that issue, because Mayeni told Mpumelelo many things behind the cameras. Understand? Some of the things, guys, there is a lot of things happening between Mayeni and Mpumelelo. Mpumelelo loves his mother, guys, so much. Mpumelelo is not about he can't respect Mayeni. Mpumelelo respects Mayeni a lot. That's why he understands that his mother, she doesn't want anything to do with his girlfriends and his wives. That's why Mpumelelo doesn't even go to Mayeni and say, I have got a girlfriend, what to Mayeni, because Mayeni doesn't want stress. And they have got an issue with Musamseleko about Makwela. And Mpumelelo doesn't want to say much of the things because Mpumelelo knows that Mayeni, she is always negative most of the time. Mayeni always negative all the time when Mpumelelo is saying some of the things. Mayeni always being, you know that, guys, Mpumelelo sometimes is right and Musamseleko, the way Mayeni she behaves. So sometimes there is no need to tell Mayeni at that time because that time, there is time of Makwela. Mayeni lives Musamseleko. They are not in good relationship with Musamseleko. That's why Mpumelelo avoid and he is doing his things on his own. Even now, maybe Amahle, Mpumelelo is renting a place maybe for Amahle, but Mayeni didn't meet Amahle. Makhumalo was asking Musamseleko why Musamseleko is posting Makwela in his socials, in Instagram, Facebook. You know that Makhumalo want to control Musamseleko too much. You know that Macele leave them in Muzumbe, give them a space because Musamseleko tells Macele that he want to have East Temple. And Macele give them a space and they are very free in Muzumbe. Why Makhumalo can't do the same thing? And now he want to control Musamseleko because Musamseleko is posting his wife. You know that sometimes that women have to think the way Mayeni and Macele they were treating her. You know that Mayeni and Macele were bullying Makhumalo because Makhumalo came after them. But Makhumalo, she can't feel the same pain Makwela is going through. She wants to bully Makwela because sometimes Makhumalo can tell Musamseleko that why are you posting Makwela, or Makwela why she is posting Musamseleko. Sometimes that doesn't make any sense, guys. That woman, sometimes I love Makhumalo very much, but she have to make sense in her mind because now Makhumalo is getting lost. I don't want to lie. Makhumalo is getting lost because you can't control, guys, a man like that. You say, why are you posting each other on social media? So Makwela can't be free because she came after Makhumalo. Because Makhumalo, guys, accept Mangwabe. Makhumalo and Mangwabe, they are friends. But Makhumalo accept Mangwabe. You understand? Why she can't accept Makwela, even they are coming from the same place? It happens now, guys. It doesn't work now because what happens, it happens. Musamseleko choose Makwela. There is nothing can do. Sometimes Makhumalo, I don't understand here. Makhumalo last time Musamseleko was saying he wants to marry another wife. He want to take the fifth wife. Makhumalo was not complaining. Understand? You know that Makhumalo, she have to know that she came alone in her marriage. She doesn't came with Mangwabe. Makhumalo want to be on Mangwabe's side, want to impress Mangwabe by so bully to Makwela because she want to impress her friend Mangwabe. It doesn't help. So sometimes she have to think that it's her and Musamseleko only in their marriage. So sometimes that woman, guys, you know that sometimes we think that the way Makhumalo she is on cameras is not the way Makhumalo she is behind the cameras. Snare was right. Musamseleko says the same thing and Mayeni says the same thing. You understand? So those people, they don't lie. So sometimes the way those people, they are saying behind the cameras and on the cameras are different because you can't control. You know that because Makwela came after, yeah, you understand? So you have got a power to bully. I don't understand. Even Mayeni, you understand? I don't understand what's going on with Musamseleko's wives because a woman who came after you, you have got a right to bully her because it's called bullying. She is bullying Makwela, guys. We don't want to lie. This is bullying sometimes because it's her husband. The way she was doing to other wives, Macele, because Makhumalo respond that I'm married to a polygamist, not to a married man. So why she is now want to control when she says she married to a polygamist? Even Makwela married to a polygamist, not a married man, or it's not her husband only, it's their husband. You understand? So sometimes they have to stop to bully because it's too much. Makwela have a right to say her own word.